try not to.
His eyebrow. You look so funny. Are you going to picture or video?
Video.
Are you going to trim it? Well, at the beginning it wasn't very funny. Mom, I swallowed a piece of bread, and then I coughed it back up, and it landed on my toes.
Oh, weird. Gross.
Gross.